You have a big head.
I know.
Yeah, you do. Say hi.
Can't have her shoes on.
Hi, babies! Jay, what are you doing? Are you supposed to be playing with that?
Huh?
Are you supposed to be playing with that?
No. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's fine.
No, I'm talking to Jay.
Oh, you don't get off Papa's thing.
Yeah, don't play with that, honey. That's expensive. I love you, though.
Quit pulling my ponytail.
Tell me you love me.
Ow! You're pulling it. Ah! You're pulling my ponytail.